Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat for you guys, my friend Nilay. Hi. She's being very demure right now. But is your makeup sliding off, creasing, feeling like summer hates mature skin?
You say mature.
I mean, you know.
Can I get my publicist? Do you guys hear that?
She looks good, don't she?
Stop, I'll bring it up.
Let's get into the tutorial. Let's talk about hydration, because dehydrated skin loves to wrinkle. Start with a hyaluronic acid serum, not a gel. Serums are denser, they layer better under SPF, and they act like a magnet, drawing water into fine lines and puffing them out, creating kind of like you steamed your face effect. My current obsession is Amla Enhanced Skincare by Dr. Kanodia. It's called BERI. It has Amaya BERI in it. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Niacinamide and peptides. It really plumps and juices up the skin. Pro tip, apply on damp skin so the HA can trap the moisture. It is the best to use it like this. And then go in with the BOBBI First Spray Serum for even more hydration. So basically, this is the hack. For mature skin, specifically in the summer, hydration is your wrinkle eraser. Hyaluronic serum pulls water in like a sponge. Use SPF that doubles as a primer. If your SPF pills, your whole face is doomed. Look for an SPF with a smoothing finish. It replaces your primer and makes your base last. The BOBBI UV Essence Waterfull Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I find that this adds such a beautiful glow and it holds on to makeup very nicely. Pro tip, tap it in, don't rub. Friction stretches mature skin. Your SPF is your primer now. Ditch the silicone, keep the glow. Underpainting over contouring. Contouring on top of foundation adds age. Underpainting is your facelift in a brush. Use your bronzer, blush, and highlight first. Then sheer skin tint over it. Pro tip, blend with upward motions only. Think sculpt up, don't drag down. You don't need highlight everywhere. You need it where your skin still reflects light naturally. Overdoing it is just going to add texture, especially if your skin has had a little experience. Cream everything or regret everything. Powder clings to texture like gossip to high schoolers. For summer, use cream blush, cream bronzer, cream shadow, everything. It moves with your skin instead of against it. You can apply BOBBI on top of the cheekbones, brow bone, and inner eye corner using a sponge. Avoid forehead, upper lip, and chin in the summer heat. So you can even use like a balm style highlighter. Just avoid all glitter bases. Look at this balmy look melting into our skin versus a glitter. You know what I'm talking about, like that glittery highlighter that emphasizes pores. Glitter is not glow. This is how you highlight mature skin. So I had to just throw a bonus in there with you guys for you. Instead of setting your entire face with powder, try setting it with a setting spray. Skincare benefits. It melts cream into skin and stops sweating. I mean, you can use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush, the Huda Beauty, Milk, Hydro Grip, MAC Fix Plus. Pro tip, mist, blot with a tissue, then mist again. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, sound off below if you guys like this type of tutorial and if you like the mature skin to summer tutorial. Did you know that 50% of the people watching my YouTubes are not subscribed to me?
What?
Tell them what to do.
You have to click below on the subscribe button. I love that you know. I watch your videos.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Till next time.